Shale is a sedimentary rock derived from clay, the most common on Earth, some forms of which contain methane gas. Huge shale deposits can be found across the world with exploitable reserves estimated at 206,000 billion cubic meters, slightly more than proven conventional gas reserves. Nearly half of all deposits are found in Asia and North America. Harnessing the gas is technically complex because, unlike pockets of natural gas, it's embedded in the rock and is therefore impossible to pump directly. What's more, the volume of gas per cubic meter of rock is small. But it can be extracted using a process known as hydraulic fracturing or fracking. A rig drills deep into the ground to reach the shale deposit and then continues horizontally, often for several kilometers. Next, huge quantities of water are injected into the hole, the pressure cracks the shale, releasing the gas. The process not only demands millions of litres of water, but also chemical products. Only about half of the water and chemicals are retrievable. The remainder can seep into the water table, and this can have potentially harming effects on drinking water. A further source of pollution is the inevitable escape of gas into the atmosphere during extraction, with methane being one of the main contributors to global warming. Some rigs, meanwhile, have even been blamed for causing minor earthquakes. All this makes shale gas a highly controversial form of energy. Its extraction is now commonplace in the United States and Canada. It's also gaining ground in China, Australia, and even in parts of Europe.